Now, shall we learn few more words with your letter M, children? Okay, I want you to listen carefully. Okay, as you see, all your words are starting with your letter M and you know your sound. Now, muffin. What is this? Muffin. Muffin is a type of cake. Okay, you call the small cupcakes as muffins. Muffin. Next one, motorcycle. Motorcycle. Next, moon. Moon. Yeah, mittens. Mittens. Mug. Mug. Monkey. Monkey. Mushroom. Mushroom. Mango. Once again, muffin, motorcycle, moon, mug, mango, mushroom, monkey, mittens. So all are starting with your letter M. Starting with your letter M. All these words. Okay, so now you have learned many words with your letter M. Next one. Okay, now you need to learn how to write your letter M and your sound Yes, you need to learn. Now, let's start. Now, you will start M from down, okay? From below, you go up, a small slanting line, again go up and you come down. Your letter M. You need to start from down, not from top. You start from down, go up, again slanting, a slanting and down. Now this is letter M. You know how to write M now. Now your sound. You start from top, come down, go over, and again a down curve. What's your sound? Again you start from top, come down, a curve down, again a curve down. Again you start from top, down, go on top again, a down small curve, and another curve. Once again, watch carefully, children. Okay. Now I want you to learn to write it, okay? Come down, a small curve down, and another curve. Again a line down, one curve down, and another curve. A curve down, and another curve. Your sound, a curve, and again. Start, come down, again a line, now half a curve down, and one again, down and down. So you know to write your sound too. Okay, now you can see a picture of a mug. So now shall we learn the spelling? Can I spell it for you? You have UG here, so it's M-U-G, mug. Now, lamp. L-A-M-P, lamp. Drum. D-R-U-M, drum. So, in all these words, you have your sound mug, lamp and drum. On this worksheet, see what you can see over here, children. Now first you need to see what is this. Is your letter M, and on the other side you have your sound Now I want you to strike out all your letter M if you have any here. Now is this letter N? No, it's N, it's V, it's L. Yes, you have over here letter N. So shall we give it a 2 shade for letter N? Letter M. One again. Where's your next letter? Yes, you have again one more letter M. Now, do you have any more letter M's over here? No, you have only A, Y, U, W. So the M, only you have 2 M's over here. Now, your sound. Your sound. Now, can you see where's your sound? Now, can we color your sound with another color? We colored letter with red. Now, shall we color your sound with another color? Yes, with yellow. Yes. Your sound is here. Again, where else can you find? Over here. Same sound. One more. Yes. Same sound. And your last one is again your same sound. So letter M and sound Okay. So you have colored all your sounds. That is the same sound. And here you have colored your letter M. Okay. Over here you can see again alphabets. Yes. Now in this sheet over here with these alphabets, we need to circle your letter M and your sound too. Your letter M and also your sound. So shall we see where is your letter and your sound? Can you see the first one? First line, it is with S, B, L. Yes. So you will circle your letter M and also the sound. Yes. Here you have M again. Here's your sound. Now, when I say M, where is M? Yes. Now I say sound Where's Yes, here's it. Again I say letter M. Your letter M. And your sound This is your sound. Again, letter M. You have letter M. And your sound, here's the sound. Again, letter M. You will circle letter M. Now circle your sound. You will circle your sound. Okay. So you have done all of them correctly. All of them are done correctly. Yes, your sound and your letter. Now in this one, now we need to see which pictures are starting with your letter M and the same sound. Now first one, we have a mask. First one is a mask. So is it starting with letter M? Yes. So all the pictures which are starting with letter M, we shall circle them. Mask. Now octopus? No. Mountain? Yes. M. Mountain. Kite? Not with M. Ladder? Is it sounding? No. Moon? Yes. So we shall circle the moon. Next one. Your map? Is it sounding? Map? Yes. Let's circle map too. Now you circle all your pictures which begin with your letter M.
Pebbles Kids Learning.